Hey guys, thanks for installing Exquisite Sitemap on your Shopify site. Our app easily helps you generate an HTML sitemap to use on your store. It's easy to use, and I'm going to show you how to get it set up. So you can click this Get Started button or click the Generate Sitemap page. Once you're on the Generate Sitemap page, we're going to click this button to create a new page template. This is essential for the app to work. So to create a new page template, we're going to go up here, click on Pages, Create Template, and it has to be named exactly HTML-sitemap. We're going to create template. Once we do, we'll go to Add a Section, Apps, and Add HTML Sitemap section. So you'll see that sitemap is now added to this page. So we're going to save it. We're going to go back to this page. We're going to give it a quick refresh. And what this is going to do is automatically create a page called HTML Sitemap and assign the template we just created to it. So that way, it's automatically on there. You'll see this link right here. You can click it, and you can see the live HTML sitemap page. So that's all you have to do to get started, is just create that page template, name it HTML sitemap, and refresh this page. If you want to add the sitemap to your main menu navigation, you can just copy this link. We'll go over to Online Store, Navigation, and click on one of the menus, whether or not you want in the main menu or footer, that's your call. We'll just do the main menu. We'll add a menu item. Let's name it Sitemap. And we can just click down here to Pages and add HTML Sitemap to it. Once we save that and you refresh on your store, you will see the HTML sitemap up here as you do now. So that's how you get started. If you have any trouble with this app or you want new features, just contact our team and we're happy to expedite support or new features for you. Thanks.